morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of lines and angle. We are discussing try these of page number 101. That is related to linear pair. And in the last class, I have told you that if two angles are forming linear pair, then they are always adjacent. Is it so? Touch हो रहे हैं तभी तो वो 180 बना रहे हैं. That means they are always adjacent. But adjacent angle doesn't mean that they are always supplementary or forming linear pair. Linear pair means supplementary. Supplementary means linear pair. Keep your bottle down. Got it? Adjacent angle doesn't mean linear pair always, but linear pair always means that they are forming adjacent angles. Got it? Yes, बच्चे बोलो.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, page number 98 का जो thing discuss and write है, उसका जो first question है, can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Ma'am, इसका क्या आंसर है?
बच्चे मैंने अभी बताया ना कि two adjacent angle doesn't always form supplementary angle. They can or cannot give you supplementary angle. It's not always sure. ठीक है? But if the angles are supplementary or forming linear pair, that means they are adjacent. Supplementary है तो linear adjacent होंगे, but adjacent doesn't always mean that they are supplementary. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
This I have just spoken.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Don't sit free. Solve the question side by side. Do the question, beta. Don't sit free. Start next part if you have done this. Where's your book? हिमालय बुक कहाँ है? यहां से तो ये आंसर आप कॉपी करते जाओगे आंसर. You have to solve at your own. Angle 1 is 30 degree, that is given. So you have to find angle 2 and 3. Yes. As the two lines intersect each other, they will always form vertically opposite angle. So that means 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angle. If 1 is 30, then 3 is also 30. She has written this. And this is a straight line. Look here, this is a straight line. Everybody look at the board. This is a straight line, and the angles on the upper side of the line and on the bottom side of the line, they will always form linear pair. You are not listening. No need to solve the thing. These all questions we have done earlier also. Why you are noting down the things? Just listen to me. Understanding is more important. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है. स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर वाली साइड पे 2 और 3 फॉर्म हो रहा है. इज इट सो? सो दे विल फॉर्म लीनियर पेयर. एंड ऑन द डाउन साइड, बॉटम साइड ऑफ दिस, these two angle will always form linear pair. In the same way, this is a straight line and this is a straight line, and the angles on the upper side of the straight line 1 and 2 will form linear pair. In the same way, the angle in the downward direction of this line will always form linear pair. You can give this angle 4 if you want. Okay, so you can use 1 plus 2 equal to 180, 3 plus 4 equal to 180, or you can take 2 plus 3 equal to 180, 1 plus 4 equal to 180. कोई भी ले लो, all are true. ठीक है? जैसे इसने क्या लिया है? Why you have written this angle 2 is equal to 2. हाँ 180 आएगा. हाँ बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, but it will be little bit lengthy, so better to take 180 degree. ठीक है? That will reduce your calculation. So 1 plus 2 is 180. They are forming linear pair. Angle 1 is 30, so that will help you to find angle 2. So you will subtract 30 degree from 180. That will give you 150 degree. Got it? Clear? Arrow Sanchit. Bring your book, hurry up. Clean it. Start second part of this. Try this. Second part. Rub this. Why you are sitting, please? Start the second part. Try these. Only one part was there. Start example, then do the exercise. Example of vertically opposite angle. Scissors, pair of scissors. What? Or anything else? Intersecting line. Intersection of two matchstick. If you take two matchstick, you will intersect them. They will form vertically opposite angle. Anything else? आपकी बुक में लिखे होंगे एग्जाम्पल देखो. Wherever intersecting lines are given, example must be given. You please start this question number 1. Write exercise. Give me duster. Here up कर दो. Try this. Exercise you are starting ना? Rub it. कर लो आप करो. Please starting with the exercise. You please solve the example, then continue with the exercise. Exercise, write down. Yes, Victor. बोलो.
मैम मैंने आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम क्वेश्चन 1 का पहले 90 माइनस 20 इज इक्वल टू.
नहीं बेटा ये नहीं, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल दो फ्रॉम योर सराउंडिंग. Can you? Have you read? Is there any other example? Iron stand, yes. Cloth drawing stand भी तो होता है, वही है ना. और कुछ? हाँ, फूड ट्रॉली. उसके अंदर वो जो क्रॉस में लाइंस होती हैं फूड ट्रॉली में, ठीक है. फूड ट्रॉली, द बार्स ऑफ द फूड ट्रॉली. ऐसे इसकी भी तो बार्स होती हैं. बार्स ऑफ द विंडो, वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल बार्स. ये देखो आपके सामने ही है. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल है और ये वाली वर्टिकल है, ठीक है. 1 मिनट. What was the question? Find the complement of फर्स्ट कौन सा है? क्या होगा हिमालय? 20 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे? 90 को नहीं. हाँ जी, 90 minus 20 that will give you 70. Got it? So complement of 20 degrees, 90 minus 20, that is 70. Yes. Second question. Bring your book. Bring your book. Hurry up. He has written it in the correct way, but you should write the answer properly. Start second question. Second part. I'm not saying second question, not second part. Start second question, first part. Yes, you all please continue with the exercise. बच्चे, how in the next step shift 105 to that side. इसको implies का साइन डालो. दोनों साइन इक्वल टू के नहीं आते कभी भी. implies कर दो ऐसे. हाँ, हटा दो या तो रिमूव कर दो, अदरवाइज implies का साइन डालो. हाँ जी. Today you have to revise this whole exercise 5.1. That's your homework. Revise exercise 5.1. Got it? Yes, you have revision test today, and the link and the PDF you have to send me back for checking. You all know this thing. So today is your last revision test. Okay. So test will be shared at 5 p.m. and timings are till 5:40 for doing the test, and within 10 minutes till 5:50 you will send me back your answer PDF. Okay, so that you will get in 1 or 2 days after checking. It's compulsory for all of you to give the test. Don't skip the test. Got it? It will help you to prepare for your exam. So after going to home, you will please revise all the things from your book. Then you will be prepared for the test. We are doing all the questions. We haven't left anything. And though if anything is left from the example, you please solve it. And if you will have any doubt, we can discuss in the class. Bring it tomorrow if you have any problem. From any chapter, okay? Tomorrow onward, we will do mixed question of the other chapters also. Firstly, we will complete this and we will side by side start doing the questions of the next. From this chapter or from? Abhi jab aayega, then you can ask. When we will discuss this topic, you can ask. After the period. आ जाओ, उसके बाद आप आ जाना. Question number 3. Start question number 3. Rub this. Solve करना है बच्चे. हाँ जी. Firstly, you will solve and then you will search for the answer, whether they are true or false. Solve this, beta. 3 angles are given. 2. If the sum is 90, then the angles are. If the sum is 180, then the angles are. So check the sum. Do first and second part only. Then start with the next question. So the sum of first two angles is 180, they are supplementary. And the sum of the next two is 90, they are complementary. Is it so? Okay. Ritisha, come for the next question. Next question number 4. Rub that question. Take the step. Yes. Abhi ruk jao. You have got the chance. Then read out the question number 4. Yes, Samriddhi. Read out the fourth statement. Jasleen, Jalash. The question is find the angle which is equal to its complement. And the method is to solve this. Who will solve this? Yes, you have done. Come, correct it. The angle which is equal to its complement. मतलब एक एंगल है जो अपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट के इक्वल है. Yes, yes, it's wrong. The statement of this fourth question is find the angle which is equal to its complement. And the next question is find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Yes, Drishti. बच्चे मैंने अनम्यूट किया है, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Yes, Drishti. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer is 90 minus 45 is equals to 45 degrees.
हाँ, but the way is to solve is this. X plus x is equal to 90. Means एक एंगल है जो अपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट के इक्वल है. तब इक्वल है, x और x ही है दोनों. ठीक है. Then the answer is 45. Done. Start next. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Have you solved the example that is given before this exercise? Done? Have you done, Prabnu? No. Very bad. Solve the example first. Bache, come in the middle. Center mein aao. Question 5. Yes. Start it. What is the complement of x degree? Ashima. Complement of x degree. X degree. X. मैंने क्लास में कितने दिन से करवाया है ना क्वेश्चन? Very good. Supplement of m degree. Supplement of m. This Himalaya Vilan. I said supplement of m degree. 180 minus m. 180 minus m. Complement of m degree is 180 minus m and complement नहीं supplement. अगर एक x डिग्री एंगल है, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? इसका सप्लीमेंट क्या होगा? ठीक है. अगर 0 डिग्री होगा तो 90 माइनस 0 90. 180 माइनस 0 180. अगर x की जगह m 30 40 नंबर की जगह x आ गया, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? माइनस ही तो करना है. कीप इट डाउन. गॉट इट? Got it? Any doubt in this? This we have already discussed. Go. Yes, next question is. Next question. Come. Yes, read out the next statement. Read करो, इधर आओ. Come, read out the statement. थोड़ा पीछे हो. बोलो.
In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary.
What do you mean by supplementary?
Sum is 180 degree, it is called supplementary. If one is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that
Can you explain it by drawing the figure? No need to write anything. Just explain this question by drawing the figure. Rub this beta first. Rub this first. And draw the bigger figure. Explain it. Rub this question. Very good. इधर 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 इधर. हाँ.
Angle 1 is decreased and changes. If angle 1 is decreased, both angles will still remain supplementary.
No, remain supplementary. Then what will be the impact on angle 2?
The impact on angle 2 will be that the angle.
Very good. Go. क्यों? क्यों कर दो? उन्होंने क्या बोला है? एंगल 1 को डिक्रीज करो, तो 90 क्यों कर दो? 90 तो हाँ, तो एंगल 2 इंक्रीज. अगर उसने ठीक तो बोला है कि एंगल 1 को डिक्रीज करोगे तो 2 विल इंक्रीज. ये देखो, सपोज आपका ये एंगल 60 था, तो ये एंगल कितना था? 120. अब आप कह रहे हो इसको 90 कर दो, ये भी 90 आ गया. आपने एक को इंक्रीज किया तो दूसरा क्या हो गया? तो उसने यही तो बोला है. तो सप्लीमेंट्री तो है 180 180. उस चेंज तो कुछ किया ही नहीं उसने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला है. और इतने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया उसने कि अगर 1 को उसने फिगर पहले ऐसे बनाई थी, उसने ये लाइन रब करके इधर कर दी. 1 को डिक्रीज किया, देन 2 हैज, पहले 2 ये था, अब इंक्रीज होके इंक्रीज हो गया ना. इफ 1 इज डिक्रीज देन 2 इज इंक्रीजिंग. जितना डिक्रीज कर रहे हो उतना इंक्रीज हो रहा है, एंड स्टिल दे आर फॉर्मिंग सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. गॉट इट? एंड he hasn't asked you to give the suitable example. नहीं बोला कि कितना डिक्रीज कर रहे हो कितना इंक्रीज, सिर्फ ये पूछा इंक्रीज होगा कि डिक्रीज होगा. उसने ये तो कहा ही नहीं आपको कि आप कोई मेजरमेंट लेके शो करो या एग्जाम्पल दो. कहे तो आप कर दोगे, आप स्मार्ट हो सारे. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु विल कम? संचित, ये सात्विक, you have done? You have done on question on the board today. Come. Then next Ashima is your turn. Then Nonihal. Rub this one. Start next question. Why you are not doing sums? Sitting free? Do it. Karo next sum. Read out the statement. Satvik, come here. Read out the statement.
Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are first one acute?
Acute करो. हाँ जी, acute. कहते हैं if two angles are acute, can they be supplementary? Acute means angles less than 90 degree. इसने कहा है acute लेने हैं, less than 90. Second example is of right angle. Then you will take right angle. है ना second right angle. Third right है ना right. Right कब लेंगे? अभी acute बोला है. Acute should be less than 90. Should not be 90. If you take 90, then it will be right angle. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, डू द सम्स, वेरी गुड, जल्दी करो। हाँ 80 80 80 70 60 40, बट इसने मैक्सिमम इसलिए लिया है कि आपको बताने के लिए कि यू कांट, मतलब कि आप छोटे तो ले ही सकते हो पर इससे बड़ा जितना मर्जी मैक्सिमम ले लिया उसने, मतलब इससे बड़ा आंसर आ ही नहीं सकता। एक आ सकता है 179, आ सकता है कि नहीं आ सकता? नहीं आ सकता, क्योंकि 179 के लिए ए को 90 लेना पड़ेगा, तो 90 इज नॉट पॉसिबल। So he has taken maximum angle and the sum is maximum 180, but we want to make it 180, which is not possible. करो next part, B part. अभी करवाएंगे, ये वाला नहीं करवाना, ये तो पता चल गया आपको। So he has taken two obtuse angle which are more than 90, 100, 100, and the sum is 200, which is more than 180. But for the supplementary, the sum should be 180, not more than that. But the sum is 200, so that means two obtuse angle will not give you supplementary angle. What about the right angles? 90, 90, if you take two right angle, 90 plus 90 will give you 180 degree, which means the two right angle will always form acute will not form, obtuse will not form, but right angle will always form supplementary angle. Got it? Ashima, come. Next question. Question number 8. Come here and read the statement loudly, then start with the solution. Loud. What does it mean? Can you explain the statement? What you are going to do in this? Yes, who will explain the statement? Question number 8. Come. Just explain the meaning of the statement. What is given and what you have to do further.
I mean, this question he's asking that complementary angle's measure is 90 degree. Then if we take 45 degree, then next will be 45 degree.
If you take 45 degree, if you take more than, greater than 45 degree. If you take an angle which is greater than 45 degree, then what will be the complement? Whether it will be less than, more than, or equal to 45. This is the meaning. 46 low, 50 low, 55 low, 0 wala low, that will be easy, convenient for you. More than 40 low, 45 low, na beta? More than, less than आएगा, ठीक है. चलो एग्जाम्पल दो आप. नेक्स्ट मैं बताती हूँ, देते हैं अभी आपको. चलो करो आशिमा, टेक सम एग्जाम्पल. 45 से ग्रेटर कोई भी एग्जाम्पल करके दिखा दो एंड राइट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दैट. Bache, you are not getting my point. Come, solve it. Leave your notebook there. Leave it, beta. Give some example. Come and explain this. Example दे दो कोई भी आप आके.
If our angle is 46
Hmm.
and we have to get a 9,
Yes, very good.
then the angle won't be obtuse because it could be more than 90 and cannot be
Means you have to get the complement of 46 degree. What is the complement of 46 degree?
cannot be the complement of 45 degree because it would be also
No,
more
no,
than-
no.
So
इधर देखो.
we have
नहीं ये नहीं कह रहा वो ये कह रहा है एक मिनट साइड थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ. ये देखो इधर आपने एक एंगल लिया 45 डिग्री था आपको उससे मोर देन एंगल लेना है 45. थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ. क्लियर है इधर. आपने एक एंगल लिया 45 डिग्री एंड 45 डिग्री से ज्यादा लेना है मींस 50 लेना है आपने. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 50 डिग्री? 40 डिग्री एंड बोथ द एंगल आर मेकिंग 90 डिग्री. दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ईच अदर. 40 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 50 है 50 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 40 है. Now in the question he asks you to find that whether this complement is less than 45, more than 45 or equal to 45. It is less than 45. तो आपने एक एग्जांपल लेना है 46 45 से ग्रेटर दैट इज 50. उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो है 40 डिग्री है एंड दैट इज लेस देन 45 डिग्री. गॉट इट? अगर आपको कहे कि एक एंगल 45 है तो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? 45 के इक्वल होगा, ग्रेटर की मोर देन होगा? इक्वल होगा क्योंकि 45 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या है? 45 which is equal to 45. Got it? Now next question is 9th question. Come Arshia. You want to explain? You have to explain. Come. Question number 9. Come. Explain the statement first.
in the adjoining figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle
अच्छा, draw the figure first. टाइम भी हो गया, बेल होने लगी है. अच्छा, अटेंडेंस नोट कर दो.